know exactly what this is. It's us. We went through hell, and we came out kings. Listen. Look, baby, we both know we messed up bad. There's some things we shouldn't made each other mad. We were toxic as hell, fighting every single night, screaming, throwing things, starting every fucking fight. People told me leave her, man, she's too much trouble, but they don't understand the love we got is double. Yeah, you were wild, crazy, out of control, drinking, partying, breaking every fucking rule. You were the hurricane and storm inside my life, but you were also the peace, you were also my wife. I saw you at your worst, messy, angry, raw, and I held you down when you were ready to fall. We got scars on our hearts, marks on our skin, did every wrong thing you could ever fucking sin. But I never left, I never walked away, took all that poison and turned it into our better day. Yeah, we fuck up shit, but we do it in style. Still together, girl, ain't no fucking doubt, it's wild. Past was toxic, yeah, we know it's true, but I wouldn't change a thing, cause I'm still with you. I grew strong as fuck, built this shit from the ground. I'm the man I am now, cause you came around. All the bad memories, we wear them like a crown. Toxic turned to gold, look at us now. Hey, straight from H-Town, we brought that fire. Two bad motherfuckers with so much desire. You're Māori royalty, fierce and so damn classy. Wild as hell, but you move like you royalty sassy. You broke me down just to build me up higher, turn a little spark into a motherfucking fire. I used to be soft, I used to be shy, now I stand tall, look the whole world in the eye. You taught me patience, you taught me pain, you taught me how to win inside this game. Yo, we hurt each other, yo, we crossed the line, but there's no one else I'd rather waste my fucking time with. You're the chaos, you're the queen, you're the drug I need, and I'm the king that's standing right here by your side indeed. Yeah, we fuck up shit, but we do it in style. Still together, girl, ain't no fucking doubt, it's wild. Past was toxic, we know it's true, but I wouldn't change a thing, cause I'm still with you. I grew strong as fuck, built this shit from the ground. I'm the man I am now, cause you came around. All the bad memories, we wear them like a crown. Toxic turned to gold, look at us now. They said we wouldn't make it, said we'd fall apart, said we'd break each other's heart. But look at us now, standing on the top. Everything we build is never gonna stop. You made me strong, you made me who I am. I love the wildest bitch in the land. Forever yours, forever mine. Toxic love turned to fucking giver. Yeah, we were bad as fuck, toxic as hell, but I never left, and now I'm the strongest man alive, all because of you. Murdy, H-Town, we here, bye haters.